Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello friends, I am Madhura. Welcome to MadhurasRecipe.com. Today I am making stuffed chili cheese toast. This is really superb and yummy. It gets nice double layer of cheese and it just melts in your mouth and it makes perfect party starter or appetizer or snack dish. It's just yummy. So for that, here I have some bread slices. Now with the help of back of spoon, I am going to press it in the middle of this bread just to create some space to be able to fit in our cheese, since we are going to make this into a chili cheese toast. Perfect. Similarly, repeat the same process with the other slice of bread. Perfect. That looks done. Now let's keep this aside. Now take a bowl and we are going to make our cheese filling. So take some mozzarella cheese in a bowl. This is about a cup of mozzarella cheese. In that goes in some diced tomatoes. Now that is optional, but it adds that beautiful color and little bit of tang in this chili cheese toast. I have deseeded these tomatoes. Then some coriander leaves, finely chopped coriander leaves, and now I am adding green chilies. So these are about 2 to 3 green chilies, thinly sliced. Also adding little bit of chilli flakes, that is optional, but since it's a chili cheese toast, it has to be nice and spicy. And little bit of olive oil. Give this a good mix. And here our chili cheese toast filling is all ready. Now let's take this bread and I'm gonna put a slice of cheese on this bread, and this is what will give you the best chili cheese toast. Look at that. It fits in there really well. Since this is chili cheese toast, I am going to sprinkle some chili flakes over this cheese slice. That is again optional. If you don't eat spicy food, you can just skip that out. And stuff in this cheese mixture. And similarly, I am going to stuff my rest of the bread slices. Now here I have stuffed all my cheese chili toast and here this tray is ready. Now I am going to pop this into oven and bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. And here I have baked this chili cheese toast for exactly 10 minutes over 180 degrees Celsius. Now let's take that out. They look nice and bubbly. Look at them. Superb. Now let me take one piece and cut that up for you. Look at this. It has got that nice perfect golden crust from the sides as well as from the bottom. Looks nice and crunchy. Now let's cut this in half. Lovely. And here our cheese stuffed chili cheese toast are ready. They look nice, crunchy, yummy. You get nice spice from this cheese and it's perfectly crispy. and you get nice soft juicy texture from this cheese. Superb. So enjoy this chili cheese toast and join with us in yet another episode of Madhura's recipe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.